News and online chatter have a large impact on financial markets, but with countless news sites, social media channels, and editorial pieces, you could scroll endlessly and still never read it all, let alone decipher what's most meaningful. This makes it challenging to determine its impact on price action or how to apply it to your trading strategies. TC MarketBuzz is here to help. Its artificial intelligence compresses online content into intuitive visualizations that help you read less but know more. It shows you what's making noise in the markets and why. The concise analytics let you drill down on opportunities and manage risk, all while saving time. With Buzz, you can view analytics for multiple asset classes, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, currencies, commodities, and indices. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll focus on stocks. Starting on the overview page, the Stocks tab will show you the different size bubbles representing each stock. Here, we're looking at USA stocks in all sectors and industries, but you can update these based on your interests and your brokerage coverage with the drop-downs on the left hand of the screen. By default, the bubble size represents the total number of mentions for the stock in the last 24 hours, meaning the larger the bubble, the more activity the stock has seen across news, blogs, and social media. Hovering over a bubble, we see the total number of mentions for that stock. You can see Tesla has 320 mentions in the last 24 hours, while Amazon has had 152. You can update the bubble size to view the mentions for the following timeframes: 7, 30, and 90 days. We can also see those with unusually high mentions within the top buzzing filter. This compares their 24-hour coverage to their 7-day average to identify when something notable might be happening that's worthy of exploration. Understanding where the buzz is can be helpful in determining where to focus our research efforts. We can also view this data in a more conventional manner within the table view, where it can be easier to compare exact mention counts and see their industries. Let's click on an instrument to dig deeper into its analytics. The overall mentions compares Goldman Sachs' recent 24-hour coverage to their 7-day average, making it easy to see if anything notable is taking place.
Here, we can see today's 254 mentions is below the norm.
Now, let's take a look at where these mentions might be coming from. Here is a breakdown of the company's mentions across news, web, and social media. News includes formally published content like press releases and premium research providers, while web refers to blogs and online reviews. Social media consists of prominent accounts on Twitter. Here, we can see the majority of the tags are coming from traditional news sources, but there's also some web and social. Typically, we can expect the news to carry a heavier, more long-term impact on price action, while social media and blogs can create short-term spikes and dips.
Now, let's take a look at the most discussed topics to get a better understanding of why Goldman Sachs is being mentioned in the news.
Looking at this widget, we can see that most of the mentions are because of layoffs. There is also some discussion around the stock's ownership increasing, earning announcement, a decrease in expenses, and a decrease in the price target. In the newsfeed widget, along to the left, you can read the news articles of all the MarketBuzz analytics are based off of. You can see under each article the associated discussion topic tag. Clicking through will enable you to read the full article. If you want to filter for specific news content, you can click on the filter option, which will let you select from the various additional sources that may be available to you through your broker. To get an overview of how many mentions Goldman Sachs normally has, we can look at the History's mention chart. By default, I'm looking at the mentions for the past 30 days, but let's zoom in on this to just the last 7. The last analytic in MarketBuzz is the Trend Analysis widget. This gives an indication of a stock's price movement. Right now, it is showing the stock price for Goldman Sachs will decrease, which means I may want to buy or wait to sell. This analytic is often referenced as a strong second opinion when viewing opportunities. And that's it. That's how you can use TC Market Buzz to read less and know more, leveraging news insights to make confident investment decisions.